Have you been wanting to take a Quilter on Fire workshop with little old me? I'm so excited. I've got 2 offerings coming up at the Quiltfest Virtual Schoolhouse number 8. But first though, isn't she cute? My first workshop is Colorways. This is my most popular workshop, and it is so much fun because you get to use up all those fabrics and snippets and scraps and supplies. You can use wool roving and yarns and wools and all kinds of littles. Anything goes. You pull those things out of your stash that you always forget that you have and you never use up. This is a super fun day of creative play. My workshop number 2 is also super fun. It's a whole day of hexagon play. You will learn 10 different techniques on how to make hexagons, and you'll get to choose your favorite in the morning and incorporate it into a project in the afternoon. It's going to fill your toolbox with all kinds of new techniques. The workshops are March 20th and 21st, 2 full days of creative play. You'll learn so many skills, you'll fill up your toolbox. It's Quiltfest Virtual Schoolhouse number 8. Click on the link to sign up today.